Hey Facebook and YouTube, it's me, Crazy Honda Chris, and here behind me I have a 2021 Honda Ridgeline Sport. I've been getting a common question lately is, hey Chris, I got the truck bed cover. How do I set it up so when I hit lock on the key fob that this rear tailgate locks right up? So right now, we lock it, you walk up to it, hit this lock button right here, boom, opens right up. You can't lock it. So let me come around and I'll show you guys here in a second, all right? So let's go up right up front. All right, so we got the vehicle all loaded up now, started up. We're gonna go to home. So we're at the home menu at the moment. Select settings. We're going to go to vehicle. You're gonna scroll to door setup. Scroll down to tailgate power locking. Right now I have it enabled, but if it's not enabled, you're gonna see it's disabled. Select what you want from that point. So now every time you hit lock on the key fob, it's gonna lock that rear tailgate. And that's gonna be nice and easy for you guys. Now, if you guys found this video helpful, please feel free to show your support by hitting like and subscribe. Don't forget to share with friends and family. You got the new Ridgeline from that point. Any questions, drop them down below. I'll do my best to answer those. And thank you again for watching, guys.